Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this really easy to achieve makeup look. I only used 2 eyeshadows and the wing liner. So if you guys want to see how I achieved it, then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys watch the entire video and like what you see, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you never ever miss out on any of my uploads. The palette that I went in with today is the Sassy Sienna's palette from Dose of Colors. I've used this palette a few times here on my channel and I really love the selection and the pigmentation of the shadows. They're all matte, so that's why I went ahead and included a different shimmer. So that's pretty much what I like to do with this palette, is I'll use all these shades in my crease typically, and then I'll just use whatever shimmer or glitter I want on my lid. So the first thing that I did is I went in with this really beautiful blush pink shade to start off, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade. Just going in back and forth motions and circular motions, and you don't have to be too precise. And then I went in with the same concealer that I always use to prime my eyelid, and it's the Huda Beauty Cotton Candy High Coverage Concealer. And I just applied that on my lid and cleaned up that entire area just to give it some more definition and sharpness. And then for the lid, I went in with the Dose of Colors Ideal Duo in the shade Lemon Drop. And it's a really beautiful yellowy champagne shade. And I just applied that all over my lid. And when I use these Ideal Duos from Dose of Colors, I always go in with a glitter glue just because it is such a loose pigment that you could have a lot of fallout and the product tends to move a little bit. So just a heads up on that. And then for the wing liner, I went in with the Urban Decay Precision Liner. And then for lashes, I just went in with these lashes that I got from Amazon, and I trimmed them a lot, so that's why I don't link them, because what you see is completely different than what you're going to get, if that makes sense, because I trim off the top of the lash. And then I went in with that first shade that we put in our crease, and I just put that on my lower lash line, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. And the very last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
With the text on XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go, but you didn't notice that.